Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will be showing a solution for a problem which I'm facing with high charts. So let's get started with this video.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update.
So guys, first of all, let me show you the problem. What I'm facing is, so this is the high chart and here you can see the data is getting plotted. But the thing is, when these y-axis values are coming, each having different plot lines, and which is very irritating. You can see here so many plot lines are coming. So I want that these values which are getting evaluated automatically should be evaluated according to the data what I want, and it should be divided in equal. Let's say if I want to fix this, what I have to do is each of the values should be divided in equal ranges, but the length should be same. So you can see here each having different values range, like some is from 46 to 57, some is from 1000 to 3000, 1400 to 2000. So how to do that, let me just show you. So I'll just show you my code here, and I've already worked on this. So you can see here I'm already getting this min and max from the values, and here is the code which is running right now. And so I'll just comment this code out, and I'll just explain you what logic I've did. So here I've taken a variable divide, and I'm just taking the maximum. I'm just checking if it is an even number or an odd number. So if it is an even number, then it should be divided by 4, or if it is an odd number, then it should be divided by 5. So what I'm doing with this divide variable, let me show you. So here I'm just taking out the interval. So for example, if min is equals to 0 and maximum is equals to 500, so let me just show you. So here max value is 500, and I'm checking if it is an even number or odd number. So 500 is an even number. So divide is equals to 4. Now 500 minus 0 is 500 divided by 4. That will be 125. So 125 is the interval. So now what I have to do is I want that whatever min and max value that should be always displayed on the y-axis. So first I'll just add the min value here in the array. I've taken a variable ARR, which is minimum, as an array I've added. So 0 will already added in the array. Now what I am doing is I am just putting the rest of the values. So here let's say if it is num minus 1, that is 1. So array of the value minus 0 plus interval, so it will be 125. So second value will be pushed to array will be 125. Then third value will be 1, num minus 1, that is 125. 125 plus 125 will be 250. Like that it will run the loop till 3 times. Okay, and now I will just put the max value as a last value because I also want that value to be shown. Now let me just show you. So what you have to do is you have to use a predefined key which is already there in the high chart. So access is my variable name, and dot position is the predefined key. So here I'm putting the array. So whatever array we will be putting inside the stick position, this will be displayed on the y-axis. So it's working in a loop here. So it will have multiple y-axis. You can see here a y-axis, and it is I'm using here map, so you can understand that for each y-axis this code will run individually. And you can see here I'm putting this array. I'll just save this, and let me just show you on the UI how it works. So let's just wait to compile the code. So it has been compiled, and so guys, you can see here each of the y-axis have been divided in equal interval, and you can see these plot lines are also coming only 3 times, which is very pretty much clear to view. So here if I click, I'll show the console. So basically you can see here these are all arrays here, and you can see how it works. So min value is 0 and maximum is 3000, similarly 50, 100, and these are the values which are evaluating with the loop. So I think you will have an idea how this works. So these are all the y-axis you can see here, and these are the values. So 0, 750, 1500, 0, 750, 1500. So like that it works. And in this way you can work on this and fix your problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Show you one more thing. So you can see here the values are getting, you know, uh, the margin is very less here. So what I will do is I will add a margin to this. So for that, what you have to do is you have to just type here uh, access dot margin. Margin should be at least, I think, at least 8 should be the margin for. So it will provide a margin, so this will not get touched with the previous lines. You can see here, if the value goes above 4 digits or 5 digits, and it should not at least touch the line. So in this way you can fix this problem also. So guys, you can see here margin has been added and it looks pretty much very clear. So that's all in today's video, guys. If you have any doubt or any problem you're facing with high charts, so do let me know in the comment section. I will surely help you. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and bye for now.